Alright, you're recording.
This is Cody with Raucus Nature.
I'm Chris with Wits.
And this is the second installment of Drinking with Raucus. We recently placed a bet. I bet on the Bears.
I did not.
Bears won, so now we're doing the shot known as the Smoker's Cup.
Smokers.
2 pieces. First piece, Jaeger, simple enough.
Big room for the mayo.
Yeah, and it wouldn't be a Smoker's Cup without mayo.
I am. Sure that's mayo?
Alright. And the mayo, you have to... I was a pastry chef, so I know how to do this.
Nice.
Alright, I'm getting a close up of that.
There we go.
Oh, Jesus.
And it's all yours, buddy.
Alright. Cheers.
Roast it. It's probably not that bad, really. There's the cough.
That was awful.
That is so disgusting.
Oh, go Bears! Thank you. That was awesome.